Okay, Gabriel, so you've been training with the team for 1 month now. What can you say about your time here in Slovenia?
Yes, my time here is very good, you know. It's another experience for me, and I see the team is very good. My partner make anything for me, for I enter the group, you know. Yes, and yes, maybe I am waiting for a paper to pay, and it arrived, and I am very happy. Yes.
You also played a couple of friendly games.
Yes.
How can you comment about the team's games?
The team's games is very good. We play very good pass, you know, and this is a new season, you know, and a new player come. We have to get more time to have a good team, you know.
So you signed a contract?
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
Very good, you know. It's my first contract professional, and I am very happy.
What is the main difference between football here and football in France?
It's tactically, you know, and physics. In French, there is more tactically and physics more than here, you know. Here is very technical, you know, but in French is very tactically and physics, you know.
Can you say some couple of words or message to the fans?
I say for them they will come in the match, and we will give all of us to make them enjoy in the match.